guys, welcome again to my channel. Today we're gonna do a road trip with the organization that I always go. They have organized this trip to Kozia Mountain. I think that's how it's called. And we're now in the gas station where we're just waiting for more people to join us. We're going in this minivan that you see here. We have been driving for about an hour already, and then should be another hour for what I understood, but I'm just excited to share with you the places that we're going to visit. It's our first time there. I just want to share with you the nature, the places that we're going to visit apparently are going to be super beautiful. You know, I wouldn't be surprised because Romania is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, stay tuned for this video. I hope you like it. We're going down after 4 hours going up hiking. Now it's time to get down, and I'm not sure, it's like a different road, so I'm not sure how long it will take us to go down, but about 4 hours. At 11 we started hiking, and it's now 3 o'clock, 3 something, so we are very tired. We stopped many times also to eat and everything. Yeah, it was a lot of hills, so that was exhausting, but it's pretty good. I mean, the guide said that this is like easy road for him. It was not that easy for us. We're always the last ones, as you can see, but that's fine. We're enjoying it, the walk, taking pictures, videos for you guys, so it's okay. As long as we make it until the end, I think we're gonna be good.